Good evening, everybody. Let's get back to work. That's what I think we should do after almost 2.5 months of lockdown in India and overall 4 weeks for the whole world, which has been affecting this coronavirus. So I think we all have come to an understanding that how we have to tackle this. So essentially, we have come to know that we should not be scared, and number two, we should have our own preventive measures. Otherly, number one, as I said, when you get back to work, have all the universal preventive measures of hand washing, very, very important. Don't touch any surfaces, questionable surfaces. And of all, the Arogya Setu app, you should all have the Arogya Setu app, and you should every day morning open it, check it whether you are safe or not. It is like checking a BP machine. So it has got a lot of AI built into it, artificial intelligence built into it. So check the Arogya Setu app every day morning, check whether you are safe, then proceed. Number two, some supplements you should know what you have to take. That is number one most important one, which has been a lot of studies have come out, which I have been mentioning below, are vitamin D. Supplementation of vitamin D once a week, 60,000 international unit for about 4 weeks is very important, particularly if you are an underdosed. So you need not check the blood levels every time, but yes, there is no harm in taking once a week. And number two, vitamin C supplements every day, Lim C tablets, you get it, pop in every day before you go to work. And number three, vitamin B12 shots. Most of us, including me, I had a severe deficiency, though I eat home food, vitamin B12 and D3 severe deficiencies. So I had to take vitamin B12 shots every week so there is no harm in taking either that one as well. So all these studies have been done with coronavirus, which I'll mention below in this YouTube. And apart from that, regular dose of yoga, meditation, and a lot of fluids are very, 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 very important. And one important thing which our age-old traditional herb is Nigella sativa. That is, we call it in Kannada as Kappu Jirige or Kalonji seeds, which are very, very, very important. You should take about 4 to 6 or about 6 to 8 seeds every day, grind them, and take it with a spoon of honey. So it has been mentioned in many, many books, also even in our age-old books of Ayurveda, Quran, as well as Bible. So in Quran there is a verse saying that it will cure everything except death. But yes, so there's definitely it is no harm in taking all these things. Why? Because it contains what is called as thymoquinone, which is a chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine analog, which is naturally occurring substance. So hence it has got a preventive action. We know the hydroxychloroquine has been shipped by Modi to many countries, and and it is essentially we all are taking as a healthcare worker when we face the patients regularly. Yes, being an orthopedic oncosurgeon or a cancer surgeon, I can't delay a lot of surgeries or a lot of treatments for quite some time. Hence, we are starting back our work. Of course, with a lot of precautions. Our team has done a commendable job in putting all these things. Probably in the next video, I'll tell what are the things, how we have starting back our work. Thank you.